All right, y'all, what's good with y'all? We about to do the install of the LEDs. 2011 Ford F-150 today. Got the Ox Beam brand. Y'all know I use the same brand. Pretty much stand behind the same company. So I'm doing the Ox Beam. This is an H13 bulb. The link, if you want to purchase the LEDs, the link is in the bottom in the description. Just click on the link, and you need to already know what model bulb your vehicle uses, so you make sure you choose the right bulb. But on the 2011 to, I think they go up to 2014, they all use the H13. Even after that, they might use the same bulb. But I'm installing them on my new F-150. If you saw it on the on my J-Map 2004 Rise channel, you probably already saw the truck, or you're on Facebook. So about to go ahead and get the LEDs installed, show y'all the removal of the lights in case you never done it. Pretty simple. And let's get into the video. So these headlight is actually pretty simple and pretty fast. Show y'all what you got to take off. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, 10mm, and a ratchet, and that's it. But you got one bolt right here, one right here. They 10mm. You got a Phillips head right there. You take that loose, and then you can pull this back, and the last bolt is right there. That's the last 10mm. Then you got two clips. You got two clips over here on the side, so you got to kind of pull at it to get the light out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that done, get the light out, and show y'all the installation of the bulb. First headlight out, like I said, pretty simple. 3 bolts. Pull the tab back. Now you gotta give it a little force, cause like I said, you know, it got connected by these. They pretty tight, so don't be scared. You gotta pull on a little bit, then it'll pop out. This your headlight. I already disconnected the connector. You just got to push tab, it'll pull out. Twist your light, which I've already done. Then your light will come out. You know, you never touch a bulb. I really need to be using gloves, but it is what it is. So we got the Ox Beam. Pretty much most of y'all know, y'all been on the channel a good amount of time. Y'all know I use the same brands all the time. I like them. Find something I like, I stick with it. So I got the Ox Beams. I think they're the F16s. They all about the same to me, honestly. S6. These are S6, but big fan on them. They stay cool. I like them. They last a long time. I'm just gonna show the people that probably never saw them, but this is what I'm rolling with, and they plug and play. No ballast like HIDs. I done had them before too. It's gonna plug right into that. Screw your bulb in. You can ride. That's it. So let me get these put in. I'm gonna install the light, show y'all the difference, and then I'm gonna do the other side. All right, so I got one side in, and I'm gonna show y'all the halogen, which most of y'all done seen, know the difference, but I'll show you anyway. There go the halogen. There go the LED, to get both sides on it, and it make your front end look so much better. I love the front end of this truck, but it's gonna look 10 times better with these new LEDs. So let me go ahead and finish up, and then I'm probably gonna wait and get a nighttime shot too. So let me finish this, and then we're gonna check back in. All right, y'all, so y'all see I got both of the lights in now. The driver side, passenger side. Look a lot better. Better beam pattern, all of that. Better viewing at night, everything. So like I said, if you want these LEDs, link in the description. Just make sure you know your right model headlight bulb you need for whatever vehicle you installing on. And y'all make sure to grab them, man. Grab these LEDs and get better lighting. They just look way better too. So that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, share it. Appreciate everybody supporting, and I'm out.